He Gob.
Hello Dolan.
Gob what is wrong?
You need tolerant respect Dolan.
That you mean you fucking stupid.
You alva skill people.
Then you stupid.
Remember alt hose times.
Don't kill me.
Fuck you Spiderman.
No, fuck you, Dolan.
Lol.
Fuck you Dolan, I'm not your friend anymore.
Gob.
No.
Gob here is different type of sharing.
This is Dolan not Naruto. But okay. You have a challenge for you. Don't kill anybody.
Okay.
10 minutes later in Dolan's fucking house.
Fuck his shit I'm going to fucking kill Gob.
Don't you fucking dare Dolan.
Lol.